In this video, I will show you how to install macOS on a Windows PC using a bootable USB. Step 1. Download macOS. You'll need access to a Mac computer to download macOS from the Mac App Store. Connect a USB drive with at least 16 GB of storage. Open the App Store and download the latest version of macOS. Step 2. Create a bootable USB. Now, download and install a tool called Unibeast. Open Disk Utility on the Mac, format your USB drive, and select macOS Extended Journal as the format. Erase the drive. Next, launch Unibeast and follow the prompts. Choose the macOS version you just downloaded. Select the boot mode, UFree for modern hardware or legacy for older hardware. Once the process is complete, you'll have a bootable macOS USB drive. Restart your PC and boot from the USB. Follow the macOS installation instructions. This method can be a bit technical, but it gives you full control over running macOS on non-Apple hardware. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.